We are now on to day 2. There is our core, there is our cavity, here is the oven, and we are going to take this piece of white milk bottle plastic, put it in the oven, and then we are going to turn the oven on to 200, top and bottom, close it up. It won't take very many minutes, we'll keep an eye on it. Then we're going to take that piece of plastic out, put it over this form, this core. We may put the core back into the oven, and then we're going to squash it down with this cavity mold, and that is called compression molding. It's kind of like, although we don't actually melt the plastic to the point where it goes soggy. So that is what we're planning to do. Just look how wet that looks. Take it out, put it on there, and squash this down. So that seemed to work much better, to place it on the grid in the oven so it can get the heat from above and below, get it to look liquidy, hold it down here. I'm going to switch the oven off because I have a feeling this has worked. I think it's worked quite nicely. I think we can see. Let's see if I can show you from the side. That's what it looks like from the side. If I take the top off, now it sets almost instantly. Look how nice and deep those holes are. Oh wow, that is just very much better pull holder than yesterday. Let's just let it completely cool and be flat while it cools, so that will also just help a little bit. So definitely we were, with a better mold, able to, with a better core and cavity, we were definitely able to make deeper, more functional pull holes, one for each day of the week. Let's draw a line across here and try and keep it the same distance from all the holes. And then as you use them up, there's the first day of the week, second, Sunday, Monday. I thought instead of having to rely on us having a tin, let's try and do the same thing. Make the same thing out of plastic. So that's what the plastic looks like going in. You can see it's all firm. Already we can see the plastic is beginning to relax. And when it goes liquidy, we'll know that it's time to put it in our new mold. I'm taking it out. I'm placing it here. I'm putting this on top, squeezing it down, turning that over, and then taking that one and turning it over too. So there is our slider. Is it perfect? No, it's got a few wrinkles. But considering this is our first try at it, I'm pretty chuffed with that. So now we just slide this closed, and now say we just want to take our medication for one day, we can just tip that out. Well, I am very chuffed with my plastic making. This is the second video, and we're not perfect by any means, but we've made a very good start at recycling. We've made something useful out of old milk bottles,